Platforms that work best for producers. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with people, building a brand, and growing your audience. If you're a producer, whether you're into music, videos, or other creative fields, social media can help you showcase your work and attract the right clients. But with so many platforms out there, how do you choose the best ones for your needs? Let's break it down and figure out which platforms work best for producers like you. Why social media matters. First, let's talk about why social media is so important. Social platforms let you show off your skills, share your work to let people see what you can do, connect with your audience, build relationships with fans and clients, grow your brand, make a name for yourself in your industry, network with other creatives, find collaborators, and learn from others. Now that we know why social media matters, let's look at some of the best platforms for producers. Instagram, the visual showstopper. Instagram is perfect for producers who have eye-catching visuals to share. If you're a music producer, post behind-the-scenes clips of your studio or album covers. Video producers can share short reels or snippets of their projects. With Instagram Stories and IGTV, you can keep your followers updated and engaged. Best for music producers, video producers, and visual artists. Tips: use hashtags to reach a larger audience, post regularly, and engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. YouTube, the long-form king. If you create longer videos or tutorials, YouTube is your go-to platform. It's great for showing off your production skills, whether you're making beats, filming documentaries, or editing content. Plus, YouTube's search engine is powerful, so your videos can keep gaining views long after you post them. Best for video producers, music producers, and educators. Tips: create high-quality thumbnails, write clear descriptions, and be consistent with your uploads. TikTok, short and sweet. TikTok is all about short, creative videos. If you're good at catching attention quickly, this platform can help you go viral. Share quick tips, fun snippets of your work, or even behind-the-scenes moments. TikTok's algorithm can expose your content to a huge audience, even if you're just starting out. Best for music producers and video producers who can create engaging short content. Tips: jump on trending sounds and hashtags, and don't be afraid to show your personality. For music producers, if you're a music producer, SoundCloud is a must. It's a platform dedicated to sharing and discovering music. You can upload your tracks, get feedback from listeners, and even connect with other artists for collaborations. Best for music producers looking to share their tracks and gain an audience. Tips: share your SoundCloud links on other social platforms to drive traffic. LinkedIn, the professional side. LinkedIn might not seem like an obvious choice, but it's perfect for networking with other professionals. If you're looking to connect with brands or corporate clients, LinkedIn is where you want to be. Share your achievements, post about projects you're working on, and interact with people in your industry. Best for producers looking for professional connections and opportunities. Tips: keep your profile updated, share content regularly, and reach out to potential collaborators or clients. Facebook, the all-around network. Facebook may not be as trendy as it used to be, but it's still a strong platform for building a community. Create a page for your brand, join groups related to your niche, and use Facebook's tools to promote your work. Best for producers who want to build a loyal fan base and connect with niche communities. Tips: use Facebook groups to interact with like-minded people and share your content with your followers. Choose wisely and stay consistent. So which platform will you start with?